Welcome back, dear students. I explained you in the previous video about the meaning and features of business environment. Now let us understand why it is important to have a proper understanding of such an environment. That is, what is the importance of business environment? First, we'll understand with the small module and then I'll explain you. Let's start watching.
Importance of business environment. Better understanding of prevailing business environment helps companies to identify, evaluate, and exploit new business opportunities to lead in the market. Business environment helps firms to identify market threats and to take corrective measures towards it. Through improvement of product quality, cost reduction, and product promotion. It also helps in tapping useful business resources like raw materials, suppliers, customers, investors, machinery, and sources for other necessary requirements. Additionally, it helps companies to understand and cope with the dynamic nature of market and other external forces affecting business environment, such as changing customer preferences, technological upgradation, etc. Understanding of business environment helps in analyzing market dynamics and in formulating effective strategic policies. Businesses can improve their performance by adopting appropriate corrective measures and succeed over their competitors by considering the external factors affecting them.
So let us now understand why is business environment important. Hope you might have got an idea from this small module. Now let us further elaborate. A good understanding of business environment is necessary by the business managers to enable them to identify and evaluate as well as to react to the forces external to their firms. That is, such forces which are internal to their firms. For example, the employees, the working conditions business people are aware about. But to have a knowledge about the external forces, how the external forces are going to affect the business environment. If this knowledge is with the business managers, they will be able to react properly to the outside factors and then further be able to make the policy or if any plans are required, they would be able to make proper plans. Let's understand the points one by one. First, we'll talk about the first mover advantage, threats and warning signals and so on. So let's first begin with the first mover advantage. Business environment is important because it enables firms to identify the opportunities of the business success, what opportunities are awaiting, and to be the first one to exploit the business opportunities instead of losing them to competitors. If we are not going to have a knowledge, if the business manager is not going to have a knowledge, he will not be able to identify the coming opportunity and take the corrective action there and then. For example, Maruti Udyog is a leader in small car segment in India. Why this happened? Because it was the first to recognize the need for small cars in India in an environment of rising oil prices, large middle class population. So this company, it identified the opportunity and took the advantage of being the first mover in the competitive world. So business environment is necessary to understand. Secondly, it helps to identify threats and early warning signals. It enables the firm to identify the threats for the business, any problems, any negativities. If they are going to arise, the people, the managers who are already aware about the business environment, they will be able to identify these threats beforehand. They'll perceive the early warning signals for the business and industry, and then they'll be able to take the corrective measures such as inequality improvement is required or cost reduction is required, advertising is required, etc. So threats and early warning signals both are understood if the managers have a proper understanding and knowledge of the outside environment. Thirdly, it helps in tapping the useful resources. Now, what type of resources? As I told you beforehand, man, money, material. These are the three types of resources. Tapping proper human resources, that is man. Appoint the right type of a person. If you have a knowledge about the environment, you'll be appointing the right people. Secondly, money, from where the investors would come. Who is going to invest the money? Third is the physical resources, that is material. From where am I going to get the right, cheapest and best quality raw material? This will only be possible, to tap the useful resources will be only possible if the manager has a proper knowledge about the business environment. So, environment helps the firms to obtain various resources for operating the business, like money, that is finance, machine, which is physical resources, raw materials, power, that is electricity, water, labor, etc. So, whichever resources are required, from where are we going to get the best possible resources at the minimum prices and best quality resources from where it could be obtained. Further, it helps the firms to sell its goods and services to the customers, provide its taxes to the government, and give return timely to the business, that is earning of profits. So therefore, business environment is necessary to be understood by the business managers so that they could tap the useful resources. It helps to so thus business environment provides various resources such as inputs and provides an outlet for the business output. Next is, it is necessary to understand business environment because it helps in coping with the rapid changes. As we are already aware, business environment is not static. It is not permanent. It is dynamic. It keeps on changing. So all the managers, if they have a proper understanding of the business environment, it will help the firm to deal with the continuous changes which are taking place, such as less brand loyalty, fragmentation of the market, more demanding customers, rapid changing in technology, intense global competition, change in tastes and preferences of the consumers, and many more. So whatever changes are going on, taking place continuously in the business field, in the business environment, those changes could easily be coped up with and proper decisions could be taken by the managers. It also helps to develop suitable courses of action to cope with the changes, that is policies and plans could be made accordingly. For example, every year companies like Samsung, Apple, Huawei, Oppo, etc. they introduce dynamic smartphones with new unique features having high-end technology and design. This could only be done as these firms keep up with the competitors and gain advantage over them. They come to know the early warning signals, they come to know about the opportunities, they are able to tap with the useful resources just because the managers have a proper understanding of the business environment. Further, it helps in planning and policy formulation. Business environment, knowledge about the business environment helps the firms in deciding the future course of action or training guidelines for decision making. It helps in understanding and analyzing the business dynamics, that is business changes. So on the basis of that knowledge of business environment, managers are able to plan, they are able to formulate the policies, they are able to decide about their strategies for the near future. A knowledge about the business environment is important. It also helps in improving the performance, as it helps the firms in improving their performance by closely monitoring their immediate environment, adopting suitable business practices to improve their present performance and succeed in the market in the longer period of time, that is in the long run. So with this we come to the conclusion that it is quite necessary to understand business environment, because on the basis of that knowledge, policies, plans could be formulated, strategies could be decided, performance could be improved, we could get the early threats and warning signals, we could avail the opportunities, we could tap the resources, we could optimize the performance of the organization only if managers have proper understanding and knowledge of the business environment. So I hope that you have clearly understood the importance of business environment. In the next module, in the next lecture, I'll explain you about the various dimensions of business environment. Thank you all.